Welcome everyone. Today we have another NadineWest bag unboxing, whatever you like to call it. I'm quite excited. Let's check out what we got from Nadine this week. I like that they have changed from all of the tape that we had to cut before. Let's see how this smells here. So far so good. Hope you guys are all enjoying the lovely month of February. Here's our first package. Ooh, this is super soft. It's a sweater. Looks like it has button detailing down the side. Super excited for this. It's like a foresty green color. This is, I believe, ooh, a super cute dress. And we know that I loved that dress last time, so I have high hopes for this dress. In our next goodie package, Nadine. Ooh, some more fun leggings. These are black with a floral print to them and bell bottomy for my hippie side. Last but not least, ooh, this one's big too. Good, because it's been super cold here. It actually snowed and it's gonna snow again. We're not really prepared where I live. This is super neat. This is like a little elephant necklace with turquoise on it. I'm looking forward to that. A floral shirt, kind of like with a little tie in the back. Okay, see how this goes. Oh, I think these look like comfy bottoms, which I'm always into. More pajama pants. And it's like this plaid print, which is very popular right now, since we're all going back to the 90s. Which, hey, I have no complaints about. I liked it. Our last item, a sweater. Long sleeve, floral print, black and gray. So I'm going to try these on for you, and we'll be right back. Alright, this is the green sweater with the button detailing, which is super cute. I paired it with the necklace that came with, also super adorable. It's very soft, super comfy. You can see it with jeans or leggings. I think this is a keeper. Welcome to my new pants. They're very soft. They're floral. They're bell bottoms. And they're awesome. So I'm totally into these. Alright. What do we got next? Alright, next pair of pants. These have pockets. Automatically a winner. They have a great print. And the best part, they have a scrunchy bottom for us short people. Don't mind my super warm socks. Again, it's cold here. But yeah, I'm liking these. Pretty sweet. Let's see what's next. Alright, here's the floral black sweater. From a distance, definitely looks like paw prints. And I think they're supposed to be flowers or leaves, but I feel like I'm wearing a Cruella de Vil sweater or something dog related. But other than that, it's like comfy and cute, but you get real close. can see there's some leaves, flowers, but you'd have to get really close. On to the next. Okay, so I'm a little confused, but I'm intrigued on this shirt. I think I did it right, but I'm going to try it the other way too, where the bow is in the back, which is extremely long. But, yeah. Let's try it the other way. Quick change. Wait. No, hold on. And we're back. So that didn't make a whole lot of difference. Thinking this isn't the one for me because I can't figure out how to put it on, and it's like it requires ironing, which I'm not very good at. I mean, I'm good at ironing, I just don't like to iron. You know what I mean? On to the next. Now, there should have been a video on how to get this dress on. I was super confused. Tried for a good 2 solid minutes because it has one of those like body con things going on. So that's on, dress is on. These stripes are not doing it for me. It's like, you know? I really, really wanted to love this dress. I did. But I'm sorry, you gotta admit when things are just not working for your body, and this is just, it's not doing it. But I feel like we got some good pieces. So now let's sit down and talk about prices. Alright, that was fun. I love trying on NadineWest bags. Always brings a smile to my face. Now let's go over pricing. The first item, which was the sweater that had the paw prints on it, this one, that is called Foliage, and $25.99 for that sweater. I don't think I'll be getting that one. Next was that weird floral one that I can't figure out how to put on. Where do you put the string, front or back? This thing. Okay, I'll put it back in the bag nicely, I promise. That runs you a good $19.99. The next top, which I'm definitely keeping, this one has all the buttons. That one is Letitia and is $30.49. Definitely worth it. It's so soft and I could just lounge about, and I love how it has these little cuffs to it. Great pick. The first bottom is the AME, which were the floral bell bottoms, and those come in at $24.19. It's an odd ending number. Oh no, those were $22.49. The ones that I kept, these ones, these were the HAL, and these were $24.19. The black and white striped dress, which I had a lot of hope for, considering my last package had a killer dress. By the way, go vote for it on the NadineWest fan page. This dress retails for $29.99. It's so soft, and I'm sure it looks great on somebody, just not me. And the pendant. This is the first time I'm keeping any jewelry, and this one is $20.99. Definitely like the boho feel to it. It's an elephant with a third eye. I like third eyes. So I'd say overall I'm pretty thrilled with this bag. Not as bad as last one. I'm keeping 3 items out of my 8. So I'd say that's a pretty good haul, and I can't wait to see what's in the next pink package. So I hope you guys check out NadineWest and check out my other videos if you haven't yet to see what other fun surprises I have found through this NadineWest journey. And I will see you guys next time. Take care.